Now we are going to merge 2 or 3 files at a time within a one file. Now selecting file 1, 2 and 3, going to open it. One, two, three. Now first we are going to open the background picture and checking out the size of the image. It's in inches unit, resolution should be 200, height should be 8 and width should be 12. Press OK. Now the background is ready. Now select the one file, load selection, press OK. The selection is appearing on the screen. Select the copy option, select the background image and go to the edit and paste it. Now close the one file. Now select the file number 2. Same process, go for load selection, press OK. The selection is appearing. Go to the copy option and select the background image and paste it. Same thing goes for the third image also. Select the layer 2, select load selection, press OK. The selection is appearing on the screen. Go to the edit option, copy, select the background picture and paste it. Close all the individuals image. Now we are working with the image which is we considered as a background and merged layer 16, layer 14 and layer 15. The first layer is 16. The second layer is 14. We are moving with that one. Now the third layer is 15. We are moving towards the right hand side of the background picture. Once again selecting layer 14. I am moving it to the correct positions. In the layer panels we are moving it down and adjusting with the background image. Now it's already adjusted and we are going to put in a proper position using the free transform tool. Holding the Alt and Shift key, we are transforming according to the background picture and a little bit rotating to merge with the background properly. Press enter. Now it's ready. Now we are selecting the layer 15. Going to the edit option, free transform tool, holding the Alt and Shift key, we are removing the size and press enter and the image is ready. Now selecting the layer 16, we are moving with that particular layer, minimized, opening the hanging chair, selecting the layer, select the load selection, press OK. The selection is appearing on the screen. Go to the edit mode, copy, moving that one to the right hand side, selecting the MMPSD file and pasting it on that particular background image. Now it's appearing on the screen, but it's before the pairs, so we are removing it down and the layer is back of the image 15. Now we are adjusting using the transformer tool and making it little bit smaller and adjusting with the hanging chair. Now it's adjusted. We already selected layer 14, moving towards the right. The whole process goes according to your choice, how you are going to design the whole planets or the whole palettes. Now within the selection tools, we are going to select the flip horizontal to move the face from right hand side to left and press enter. Now we are selecting the face of the image, I mean the pair. We are zooming in. Now we are selecting, giving the first value of the feather is 0. I am making one selection over the face of bride. The selection is over. Now going to the adjustment, and all the selections is for the Photoshop, but mainly we are using the curves option. Now we are adjusting towards the upward and press OK. Ctrl D, the selection is disappear, but we are watching a little bit edge is visible on the face, which is feeling odd. That's why Ctrl Alt Z to come back once again same positions and giving the feather value 15, making once again the selection over the face. The selection is over. To adjust the brightness, we are using the curve options and we are increasing a little bit. As the face color is magenta, so we are choosing the blue and we are pulling the line towards below, but as it is a RGB mode, that's why we are selecting RGB and pulling that one towards the up. Now the preview options is on off. If it is on, we can see whatever happens, whatever updated on the screen. Now Ctrl D for disappear the selection. Now we are selecting the bridegroom face. Now the selection is over. The feather mode is on. Selecting the curve, pulling the curve a little bit up. The blues is there, pulling it a little bit down. Now the RGB mode is on. It's adjusting with the image. It's total things according to you to adjusting with the image. As the preview is on, we can see the updation of the image on the screen. Press OK. Now Ctrl D to deselection the selection of the face. Now Ctrl minus to come back the actual positions of the whole images. Press spacebar to move the image. Using the selection tool, we select the layer 14, selecting the adjustment layer, using the curve, selecting blue, pulling up, selecting RGB a little bit up to make it more bright, pressing OK. Towards the right hand side, the bridegroom is standing, selecting the layer 15. The feather option is going to change, it's 9. Once again selecting the face of the bridegroom, The selection is already over. Now we are adjusting the curves, I mean the brightness, selecting the blue a little bit down, selecting the RVG a little bit up, and press OK. Now Ctrl D for the deselection and fit on the screen. The whole process is over. Now we are going to save as in Targa mode. Same way in print folder, once again opening a new folder, giving it the name 8x12. Now within this folder we are saving this file, giving any name and save. Now the same option is appeared. The default 24-bit per pixel should be there. Now the whole thing is already over. We are going to close the application.